Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I've got a fun video for you today and I'm going to be sharing with you some kids' school lunch ideas, but even if you don't have kids, please stay and watch this video because I think that a lot of these ideas could be used for anyone, regardless of if you're going to work or staying home. I do have what I consider, I guess, older kids. I don't have toddlers anymore, so my kids are 8 and 11, so they do tend to eat larger portions, and so some of this I think could definitely be suitable for adults as well. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been trying to clean up our family's diet recently, and by that I mean eat less processed food, less refined carbs, and less added sugar. That's basically my goal, and so more lean proteins, more fruits and veggies, more of all the good stuff. I just feel like it's super important as a parent for me to really try to do that for my kids, because really in the end I want to be able to set them up with healthy eating habits for the rest of their life. So before we get into the video, I do have a grocery haul to share with you. There are some great healthy food options in there, not only for kids lunches, but just in general. Thrive Market is sponsoring today's video and I want to give a huge thank you to them. They have been one of the longest supporters of my channel and I truly love their service. And even if I wasn't sponsored by them, I would totally use their service because I just appreciate what their mission is, and I appreciate that I can get good quality foods shipped right to my door without having to go to the grocery store and hunt around. Their app is super easy to use, and if you guys use my link, you can get a free gift with a new membership, and you can also get 25% off your first order, which is a huge savings, so definitely take advantage of that. I'll have the link in the description box below. They have a couple different membership options, so you can choose to either go month to month or you can go for a 12-month membership, which is what I do. It comes out to less than $5 a month. I choose that because I order from them about twice a month is usually the frequency, and everything over $49 ships free, so it's definitely worth it for me. I have noticed recently too that they have had a ton of sales. I actually just got an email yesterday that they're having like 25% off everything paleo on their site. So some of these deals are crazy, and especially if you live in a small town like me, it can be hard to find some of these ingredients, and the prices they have are really great. So let me show you what I got, some awesome stuff, and then we're gonna jump into the lunches. Okay, so here's everything that I ordered from Thrive. I was super excited to get my order this month, and you'll actually notice that some of the things are already opened, and that's because we've been trying them, and that's fine because I want to be able to tell you guys how much we like them. So I did go ahead and do the new filter, which is what I always do in their app, so you can search by all different kinds of diet preferences. I like to see what's new so that I can kind of get in on the latest and greatest, but let's start over here and I'll share with you what I picked up. So I did get some of this roasted hazelnut coffee. I love hazelnut coffee. It's probably one of my favorite flavors of coffee, and you can see that I've opened this already and we have tried it and it's delicious. I would definitely recommend it. This is the organic coffee roasted hazelnut. This says that it's light, a light roast. I wouldn't say that it's light, but if you like hazelnut flavor, definitely give that a try. These I was pretty jazzed about, so are the kids. I was jazzed about it when I don't think I've ever said that before. Okay, so these are the organic freezer pops, and they are 100% fruit juice, no added sugar. So, you know, one could argue that yes, there's still sugar in here. However, they don't have any added sugar, so I felt pretty good about buying them. And bonus, the kids really like them. I have already frozen some of them, so I'll kind of show you what they look like. They're basically just like our good old, you know, freezy pops that we had in the 80s, except they're a healthier version of that. All right, I'm not sure where I was, but I was rudely interrupted. So yes, the kids love these, and here are the nutrition facts if you want to look at them. So for each pop, it is 0 grams of added sugar and 7 grams of just regular sugar from the fruit juice. So would definitely recommend these and would definitely repurchase them again. I also got some of this Tessie Mae's cilantro lime ranch. I thought this sounded really good. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, and sugar-free, and this could do you know, go as a salad dressing, or you could also use it like on tacos or burrito bowl or something like that. So looking forward to trying that. Now, these almond crackers are really good. I tried them and they are definitely delicious. I think they taste almost exactly like Wheat Thins, except they're grain free. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check these out. These are made with nut and seed flour blend, tapioca starch, cassava flour, sunflower oil, sea salt, and then some seasonings. So I would definitely repurchase these again. They are really, really good. The kids have been enjoying these too. These are the Mavericks Kids. This is a fairly new brand I think they have on Thrive Market. And if you are looking for a snack for kids to take to school or something like that, that's easy and quick just to throw in their bag. These definitely fit the bill. They are made with whole grain and they're cheese crackers. They do also have some cookies on there. My kids like them. They weren't wild about them. We tried those last time, but these I would definitely recommend. I also got some of this Sunrise Crunchy Vanilla cereal. This is gluten-free and this does have some added sugar in it, but it has 7 grams of added sugar versus like a Golden Grams or something like that, which would be way more. So I thought we would try this. Normally my kids will eat waffles and peanut butter for breakfast, but sometimes they like cereal and I thought I could try this too. So hopefully that's good. We haven't tried it yet. Thrive is also a great place to get almond flour if you're looking for that. So this is the super fine almond flour and I needed more. There's actually a keto sugar cookie recipe I want to try. And then they have a blueberry muffin recipe on the back of here too. So definitely check out Thrive's selection of flours. They have a ton of specialty flours on their site that are hard to find elsewhere. They have cassava flour, garbanzo bean flour, coconut flour, all different kinds. So definitely check that out. And if it's your first time ordering, you can get the 25% off too. I like this brand. This is the Yai's Thai. This is the yellow Thai coconut curry. I've not tried this exact one before, but I decided to get it. It has 0 grams of added sugar. So basically just kind of like a curry simmer sauce. So looking forward to trying that. The nut pods I have ordered before and I really like them. These are the caramel flavor. I haven't tried this flavor before, but I've tried the cinnamon and the peppermint mocha and they're all really good. I personally don't really tell a difference between using these and dairy creamer. And so if you're trying to cut back on your dairy, I would definitely recommend these. They come in packs of 2. Looking forward to trying this. This is kind of a newer item that Thrive has. This is the Switch Low Glycemic Sweet. And this is the chocolate cake mix. It's also gluten-free. So the nutrition on this is, let's see, 5 grams of fiber and only, actually no added sugar. So that's good. It looks like, I can't really read the ingredients because it's kind of light, but it looks like it's made with almond flour. So definitely looking forward to trying this. Always looking for substitutions for, you know, store-bought muffins and cakes and stuff like that, trying to get those out of our diet. So definitely wanting to try that. And then I also got the Larabar Kids. Now you can see how much the kids like these because there's only one left. They actually really like them. Now these have a little bit higher sugar in them. They actually have 10 grams of added sugar, which is a little bit high. I don't know that I'll get these again just because of that, but the kids really did like them. They don't have any high fructose corn syrup in them, although that's sort of like no high fructose corn syrup, but they have white sugar. I mean, so what is it? It kind of does the same thing in your body. So, but if you're looking for a gluten-free snack for kids, definitely check these out. Now these we have purchased before and I'll continue to purchase again. They're the This Saves Lives S'mores Blast. My kids really like these, and this has half of the added sugar that the Larabars do. They have several different flavors of these and we've tried all of them. I believe there's a chocolate chip one and there's a strawberry one. My kids' favorites are the s'mores and the strawberry. So definitely recommend these. And they also have a philanthropic mission too. This is Kristen Bell and someone else, I can't remember who, that founded this company. But I believe they give food aid every time you buy a box of these. So definitely recommend those. I decided to try these prunes. So I don't know. I haven't had my kids try them yet. We'll see. Connor isn't a huge fan of raisins, so I'm not sure. But I thought these looked interesting, and obviously prunes are natural, so 0 added sugar. They are sweet. So let me know what you guys do with these, if you just eat them plain or if you have any recipes for them. I thought these were interesting. So these are steamed and marinated snack artichoke. That's another thing I love about Thrive, is that they just have so many unique ingredients and things that I can't get other places. Like I've never seen these in my store before, but one of the things that I always do when I open up a can of artichokes is like, I just feel like there's too many in there. Like my kids don't particularly like them. Adam and I like them in certain things, but I like the fact that you can get these in the small, you know, packs, and they're vegan, they're gluten-free, and they have obviously no sugar in them, but I don't know what I'm going to use these for yet. I just thought they were kind of cool. So definitely check those out if you like artichoke. I'm also looking forward to trying this Hatch organic red enchilada sauce. I sometimes make my own enchilada sauce, but I've never seen this brand around where I live before, and so I decided that I would try it. Always love a good enchilada. My favorite enchiladas are probably with corn tortillas and chicken, but probably what I'll use those for. Okay, and then the Bobo's peanut butter and jelly oat bites. I also got these for the kids to try. I actually ate one out here. The kids haven't tried them yet. These are delicious. They do have some added sugar, again, 10 grams, which is not super great. However, they do have whole grains in them. They're made with oatmeal. I love anything peanut butter and jelly flavored, and I would rather send my kids, you know, with something like this in their backpack for, you know, a midday snack at school rather than like goldfish or, you know, some kind of like empty carb like that. So I'll have to see if my kids like these, but I thought they were really good. And even if you're looking for like a quick snack to throw in your purse or breakfast or something like that, would recommend those. They also make Pop-Tarts. They're not Pop-Tarts, but they're like comparable to Pop-Tarts, this brand. I didn't purchase them because you had to get like a pack of like 26, and I wasn't sure if we would like them, but if I see this brand again on Thrive in a smaller package of the quote Pop-Tarts, I might try them. And then this is also something that I've never seen in my stores around here. They're Pad Thai brown rice noodles. So normally I see like the regular, you know, white rice noodles, but these are 100% whole grain. So I thought those would be super fun. I have some different sauces in the pantry that I could use to make Pad Thai, so I might do that with those this week. And then lastly, for this fun haul, I did get the Thrive Market grass-fed beef sticks. These will be going in the kids' lunches as well as just in the fridge for a high protein snack. We've had these before, and these are typically on sale at Thrive also. So definitely check these out. They make a good, you know, high protein, low carb snack. So I'm gonna get all this put away and then we'll get right into the lunches. Okay, good morning and happy Monday. So I'm packing the kids' lunch this morning, and I got these little protein snack boxes at Walmart. They were marked down to $2, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. So in here there is some cut up cheese, some pretzels, and some apple slices. And then for Kira, I have her some of this sugar-free chocolate and vanilla pudding. They both really like this. And then a water bottle. And then I also have these beef sticks that I got from Thrive. So I'm putting one of those in there too, and then a spoon for the pudding. And then Connor basically has kind of the same thing, except I have a cup of fruit for him. So there's some blueberries and some grapes in here that I washed up. And then he likes these little yogurt tubes that I got. They're the Stonyfield kids ones. This one is strawberry, and then a sugar-free pudding. And then I also gave him some cut up cucumbers. He really likes those, and a water as well. So that's what they're taking for lunch today. All right, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Okay, so I just got done packing the kids' lunch for today. So Kira's got this bent go box. This is just another type of lunch box that we have. So I made for her kind of like a grilled chicken wrap. So I've got one of these spinach Olay extreme wellness tortillas, and inside there is just a little bit of cut up grilled chicken and some barbecue sauce. And then I made her a fruit salad. It's got pineapple and apple and orange, and a slice of Colby Jack cheese and some cashews. And then I gave her a little water. And then for Connor, I made him a turkey sandwich. So this just has wheat bread with turkey and a piece of cheese and some mustard. And I had to look quite a bit at the store so I could find a loaf of bread that did not have added sugar in it. A lot of them have sugar. So this one I found is the Hy-Vee cottage wheat bread, and it has less than 1 gram of added sugar per slice. So that's what I used, and then I gave him some cucumbers and some tomatoes, some applesauce. This is no sugar added applesauce, so it's just apples in there, and then a strawberry yogurt and a water. So I just have to share this funny with you guys. So I just got a call from the school, and they're like, Connor doesn't have his lunch. And I was like, I wonder if he left it on the bus. And they're like, no, we checked the bus. And so I looked out the window and I see this black thing laying in the snow here at the bus stop. And I think, he left it there. So now I have to run it to school. I just thought that was funny. So on this day, we actually had an unexpected snow day, and so I made the kids' lunch at home. I have some turkey wraps here with those Olay spinach wraps, some cut up apples on the side, and then I'm giving them some of these Kapop Super Grains popped chips. I got these from Thrive Market also, and the kids really like them. Nothing fancy, just something super quick that I could whip up while I was working and while they needed lunch. And here is Connor's. He had the exact same thing, except he had some plain pretzels with his instead. All right, good morning. I thought I would show you guys what I packed the kids for lunch today. So I have another day of the bent go box. Here is lunch. So I packed her some cheddar cheese stick, and then I also put some of the beef sticks in there. Those are from Thrive. And then I also gave her some fruit. So there's cut up apple in there, some mandarin oranges, and just a few strawberry slices. And then these are the almond crackers from Simple Mills that I got from Thrive. They're really, really good. You never tried them. I think they taste like wheat thins. They're good, so she can eat the meat and cheese with that. And then in this section is just a little bit of granola and some almonds, and then I also put in some of this dried pineapple. I can't remember where we got this from, but it's really good. And then for both of the kids, I have one of these little water bottles. For Connor, I have a turkey sandwich for him, so it's just turkey and cheese and mustard on wheat bread. And then I gave him some fruit also, so some mandarin oranges. These were like really big mandarin oranges for some reason, and some strawberries. And then I gave him one of these yogurt tubes. These are the Stonyfield Kids Organic Yogurt. And then these were actually, these are almonds, but I got these little jars. I think they had pudding in them or something, and I saved them because I thought they would be perfect for little snacks like this. So I just have some roasted salted almonds in there, so that is what they're taking. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate your support. I hope you got some great ideas for either your kids' lunches or your own lunches. And if you guys want to try out Thrive Market, I'll have the link in the description box below. It's thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin. You can get 25% off your first order plus a free gift. They do have some awesome free gifts right now, so definitely check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.